Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing, or unbagging in this case. This is a soft-shelled cooler bag. So, starting to see a lot more of these than just the traditional like hard case coolers or whatever. These soft ones have an advantage of if they're collapsible and they don't take up a lot of space. If you have a hard shell cooler, usually a lot thicker, you know, they're yay big and they take up a lot of space when you're not using them. So if you've taken up a whole shelf in your garage as opposed to something small like this. So these are leak proof, and they have nice large capacity here. Let me see, it's got this Velcro handle there, that's pretty handy. And it features keeping your cool. The zipper like seals, like it makes a nice seal right there also. So this is, like I said, it's waterproof. Look at that. This will hold. It's actually really good sized here. I want to see the dimensions here. It looks to be. Let's see if I can get it. It's all right, 16 inches, 16.2 inches long and 12.6 inches wide, and then 11.8 inches deep, so almost a foot deep. Also, you know, it expands the stuff, but it features this easy to clean material inside here. You can just, if it just gets it dirty, you can just wipe it out, and it's going to keep your, it's insulated, so it's going to keep your beverages like nice and hot or warmer if you need to, or cooler. Either way, it's just not going to allow for that transfer of heat so much. Comes this cool little bottle opener here on the side. I think we have some extra pockets here as well. You can put napkins in there, and it does have this. If you got a bunch of stuff in there, it's got these straps on the side. They're like triple stitched on there. A nice shoulder strap also that is padded for that, and then it also had this carrying thing here, so multiple ways to do that. Also this nice mesh bag in the back where you can add different things. I'm actually going to put water in here and just show you guys how well it's like leak proof and stuff like that. But you can see the capacity here. This will hold a lot of whatever. If you're going on a picnic or something, throw beverages in there, your snacks, your Capri Suns, your ice, your whatever you want to do. So I'm going to put some water in here and show you how good it holds up to that. I put some water in here. I didn't fill it up because it'd be pretty heavy, but yeah, it's just I put, I don't know, probably a couple gallons of water in there. And also it has this nice mesh pocket up here as well, but this zips up, and if you want, if it's got a bunch of stuff in there, you can use a two-handle carry, but it's pretty heavy with that water in there. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a nice little cooler bag, so yeah, I really like that advantage that it has over the hard case ones. Just a lot of times you don't, I mean, if you go camping like twice a year or something, then you got that cooler taking up half your garage. And with this, you just fold it up, put it away, nice and easy, nice and durable, holds all your stuff cool, and has plenty of room for things. Also, the advantage of one of these is they're not so rigid. Like, I don't know if you try to put stuff in sometimes with those hard-shelled ones, and you can't fit it in there because there's no flexibility to it. So you almost have to like kind of work stuff in there like Tetris or something. But these have a little bit of give to them, so you could actually put things in there that are a little misshapen, and it's going to hold it a little bit better, and then just zip it up. So yeah, pretty sweet bag here, guys. Oh man, oh, it's even got it's got little things here, so you could put, if you are grilling or something, you could put little like handles through here or something. Just slide those through there. Different items there as well. So there's just a bunch of neat little accessories on here. All right, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.